Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am back with a new set of brush pen that are from Line Plus. I bought this one from Amazon and they are available on both Amazon and Flipkart. I will share link in the description box. So this pen has brush nib and 20 colors. So you can see these are the 20 colors we are provided with. It has brush nib, non-toxic and water-based pigment ink. So let's see how it's packed. This is the packaging. We have this 20 shades. First, let's see this one. So this is the outer body of our pen, which is very pretty with all these polka dots. Now let's see the nib. It has a medium brush nib, which is not very soft. You can see this. Now we will start testing this pen with our basic strokes. I am taking out few different shades. Now going slowly with our basic strokes, entrance stroke, underturn, overturn, oval, compound curve, descending loop, ascending loop. Now I will quickly name them. All the shades are done. Now we will try some different shades and we'll do calligraphy. Now for writing the word in the, I am using only the tip of the pen to get the thin lines. Now for writing our next word, I am using thin up and thick down formula. Now adding few circles or bubbles. To be very serious, I am loving all these shades. They are so vibrant and beautiful, as you can see. Now here we are provided with these 3 shades, and here I will be talking about the grey shade that we can use for creating shadows. So let's see how it works. So this is the shade. Now I am writing my word and will add shadow to this with the help of grey color. Yeah, so it's done. Now the final thing, that is blending. So it has a water-based pigment ink, so they are blendable. I am using 3 colors. First using blue and yellow. For blending this pen, we are using tip over tip method. So always remember to keep the darker shade on the top. Now swatch your brush pen to get the original color back. Now pink and blue. Such a beautiful color combination we are getting after blending pink and blue. So guys, this was all about Line Plus brush pen. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.